people, welcome to my channel. I'm Onorogejogo. In this video I'll be showing the basic tools you need as a hair ventilator. We have a white canvas hair and it comes in two different sizes, 22 and 2.5. Then we have a wooden pin, ventilating wooden pin. It comes with also different sizes. It has one that pins 1 to 2 strands of hair, and one that pins 2 to 3 strands, and one that pins 4 to 5 strands. You just have to tell them the one you want when you get to the market. And this is a ventilating pin too, but is an eye. It comes in form of an iron, no longer in a wood. And this is a dummy head. If you can't go for the white canvas head, you can also go for this one, because this one is more affordable. And this is a wooden boss. It helps you to position your canvas head when ventilating and makes your job more easier. And this is a ventilating pin. There are so many ventilating pins out there, guys, but this is the one I normally use because it's small and it doesn't obstruct your view when ventilating. So these are basically the important tools you need. Like and subscribe. Bye.